Hey everyone, want to learn how to use GIMP on Windows 11? In this video, I'll show you the basics of using GIMP step by step. Yeah, whether you're editing photos, creating graphics, or learning image editing for the first time, this guide will help you get started on your Windows 11 computer. First, install and open GIMP on your Windows 11 PC. Once the program launches, you'll see the main workspace with the toolbox, canvas, layers panel, and menu bar. Take a moment to get familiar with the layout before you begin editing. Next, open an image by clicking File and then Open, or simply drag and drop a photo into the GIMP window. You know, this is the quickest way to start a new editing project. Now explore the basic tools in the toolbox. Use the Move tool to reposition items, the Crop tool to trim your image, the Brush tool for drawing, the Eraser tool to remove parts of an image, and the Text tool to add titles or captions. If you want to make more advanced edits, use the Layers panel to create new layers and organize different elements of your project. Layers make it much easier to edit without changing the original image. You can also improve your photos using options under the Colors and Filters menus. Try adjusting brightness, contrast, color balance, or applying filters to create different effects. When you're finished editing, click File and then Save to keep the project in GIMP's editable format. If you want to share the image, choose File, then Export As, and save it as a PNG or JPEG file. If you're new to GIMP, spend a little time practicing with the different tools and menus. So, the more you experiment, the more comfortable you'll become using the software on Windows 11. And that's how you use GIMP on Windows 11. With a little practice, you'll be able to create professional-looking edits and make the most of GIMP's powerful features. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.